Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to LG Q6. Firstly, access Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Over here, you need to do the same. And then click on Send on Samsung and Receive on LG. Now click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon over here and tapping on Allow, and then pointing your camera at the code. Or you can input this key. I will do that because my camera is a bit crooked, so I will just type it real quick and choose Receive over here. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into File Manager and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!